In this session, let's talk about another interesting type of function, and that is called as immediately invoked function expression, also called as IIFE. As the name indicates, it is a function that gets immediately invoked. Again, syntax is simple. We'll begin with function keyword. It is going to be an anonymous function, so it will not have any name. In the brackets, we'll add the body for the function. So let's say for now, I declare a variable, say a is equal to 100. I'll declare the value of that variable in the console. And what we will do is, as we say it is an immediately invoked function, we will invoke it right over here. Otherwise what we do, if it is an anonymous function, we'll assign it to a variable and then we'll call that variable as a function, right? But here, we'll not assign it to any variable. We'll just wrap it up inside brackets like this, and then we'll call it right over there. We call a function, say I have a function ABC. So to call that function, we do something like this. So over here, instead of using the function name, what we're doing is we are getting the whole function and calling it right over there. So that's immediately invoked function expression. So when we run this code, it's going to run just like a normal function. So we are getting this 100 in the console. Now, why do we want to do something like this? What is the reason? Now, main reason is to make these variables private, or in other way, we do not want to conflict these variables with the variables in the global scope. So as a general practice, it is not considered good to create variables in the global scope. So I could also do this right over here. But the issue is I'm creating this variable a in the global scope. And let's say I have 10 different files which are executing at the same time or getting loaded in the environment at the same time at runtime. And one of the files already have, or one of the libraries already have variable a, which is conflicting with my variable. So which we do not want to do that. So that is the reason what we are doing is we are restricting the scope of this variable, and we are telling that this is going to be limited to only this scope.
Hey there. If you're finding this video helpful, you'll love our full online course on JavaScript with node.js. It goes even more in depth and covers everything you need to know. Check out the link in the description to enroll and take your skills to the next level.
Then why are we not making it a normal function? Because, if we make it just a regular function, I'll copy this one. Say I create this function as A, B, and C. Then also the scope is limited to just this function, right? The scope for A is also limited to this particular thing. Then what is the use of making it as immediately invoked? The reason is, as soon as we declared a function like this with a name ABC, what we are actually doing is creating another variable called as ABC in the global scope. Let's say some library that we are using as part of our project has a function with the same name, ABC. Then that ABC function is going to conflict with this ABC. So to avoid these kind of issues, what we are doing is we are creating a function with anonymous, with no name, and then restricting the scope and running the function right over there. This pattern is commonly used to create private scope for variables and functions. So basically, when we use this kind of pattern, I'm not worried about a function with any name that is there in the global scope. It cannot conflict with my function because for this particular function, there is no name. Otherwise, for this one, we are giving certain name like ABC, and what generally that does, because we are creating this function in the global scope, so basically it will create a variable ABC in the global scope, and that will be treated as a function object. And let's say some library has a function with the same name, then they are going to start conflicting. So whenever we have such kind of restrictions, this immediately invoked function expressions are used. It is nothing but a function which is an anonymous function. It doesn't have to be anonymous. Okay, we can create it with some name, that's fine, but generally they are anonymous. It is again good practice to make them anonymous. Otherwise that will not serve the purpose. we will call them right over there by wrapping the function inside brackets. Okay, that is the simple concept of immediately invoked function expression. If you have any questions, let me know.
Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into JavaScript with Node.js, don't forget to explore our complete online course. Click the link in the description to get started today. Plus, subscribing to our channel ensures you won't miss out on more valuable content in the future. See you in the class.